Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security product and service. The BONOSS Subaru Forester wheel spaces have global pattern aptly design. The BONOSS Subaru Forester wheel spaces are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in header shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS Subaru Forester wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 60616, and another is aluminum alloy 70796. The 60616 for daily driving, and the 70796 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. The BONOSS Subaru Forester wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 lignite, and the matching lignite use 42 material by continuously forging process, and match ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The matching wheel stud use SCM00 steel material. BONOSS have over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the Subaru Forester wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCDCV composition. BONOSS have a complete Subaru Forester wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure production quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case have exceeded 10,000 times. We have started supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw material and products, meet the needs of larger volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS Subaru Forester wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS will pass your review.